Good morning, my dear students. We are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11, A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Theseus, the Duke of Athens, used to marry Hippolyta, the queen of the Amazons. In this scene, taken from the play A Midsummer Night's Dream, a group of craftsmen who hope to be a part of the wedding celebration meet to discuss the play they wish to perform at the wedding. So, in this play, we are going to see that some craftsmen are gathered together and they are discussing about a play that they wish to perform at the wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. First of all, let's see what is happening in the entire story. Four Athens ran away to the forest, only to have Puck the fairy make both of the boys fall in love with the same girl. The four run through the forest, pursuing each other, while Puck helps his master play a trick on the fairy queen. In the end, Puck reverses the magic, and the two couples reconcile and marry. That is the thing what is happening in the entire play. But we got only a small portion to learn. Act 1, Scene 2. This scene is taking place in Athens, Peter Queen's house. The main characters of this play is Peter Queens the carpenter, Tom Snutt the thinker, Francis Flute the bellows mender, Snug the joiner, Nick Bottom the weaver, Robin Starveling the tailor. The entire play is divided from Act 1 to Act 5. Now let's see what is happening in Act 1. As Duke Theseus prepares for his marriage to Hippolyta, queen of the Amazons, he is interrupted by a courtier. The name of that courtier is Aegus. Aegus asks the Duke to intervene in a dispute. Aegus' daughter, Hermia, will not agree to marry Demetrius. Aegus' daughter's name is Hermia, and he chose Demetrius as Hermia's husband. But she is not willing to marry Demetrius because she loves a gentleman named Lysander. The Duke asked Hermia to be obedient to her father. The Duke offers her one of two options. She must either die or accept a celibate life as a nun in Diana's temple. Naturally upset with the offer, Lysander and Hermia plans to elope and share their secret with Helena, Hermia's friend. Hermia's friend Helena is deeply in love with Demetrius. Demetrius was the one who was chosen to Hermia by her father. Hermia was not in love with Demetrius, but Helena, friend of Hermia, was in love with Demetrius. Helena is desperately in love with Demetrius, who seems to have abandoned her in favor of Hermia. At night, Lysander and Hermia escape from Athens, but they soon lose their way in the woods. They both lost their way in the forest. Helena is going to meet Demetrius. After meeting him, she is explaining that Lysander and Hermia is decided to escape from Athens and disobey the law. Because of that, Demetrius decided to follow the lovers into the woods through the forest. In return, Helena follows Demetrius with the hope that he will give up on Hermia and choose her instead. What we want to understand is Hermia is in love with Lysander. Helena is in love with Demetrius, but Demetrius is not loving back Helena. Helena is the friend of Hermia. Hermia's father compelled Hermia to marry Demetrius, but she was not ready for that. So Hermia's father brought her and her lover Lysander in front of Theseus, the Duke of Athens. The Duke of Athens gave two options. Either Hermia must die or accept a life as a nun in Diana's temple. Hermia and Lysander was highly upset by these options, so they too decided to run away. They shared this information with Helena, Hermia's friend. Helena approached Demetrius and informed him that Hermia and Lysander is planning to run away. Lysander and Hermia escaped from Athens, and soon they lost their way in the forest. When Helena told Demetrius about the intention of Lysander and Hermia to disobey the law, Demetrius decided to follow the lovers into the wood. And also, Helena followed Demetrius in the hope that Demetrius will give up on Hermia and choose Helena instead of that. Meanwhile, a group of working men are preparing a play of the tragic love story of Pyramus and Thisbe to present before the Duke Theseus on his wedding day. Nick Bottom, the weaver, is to play the role of lover Pyramus, while Francis Flute, the Bellows mender, agreed to play Thisbe. So here in this chapter, chapter 11, we are going to learn Act 1, Scene 2. In this scene 2, a group of craftsmen who hope to be a part of the wedding celebration of the Duke of Theseus meet to discuss the play, and they are preparing themselves for that play. They decided to play the tragic love story of Pyramus and Thisbe. So my dear students, please read the chapter and understand the meaning of difficult words. The content of our chapter is in old language. So in order to understand this better, you must read 2 or 3 times before you come for the online class. After completing the question answers of chapter 10, write the difficult word meanings in your copy of chapter 11. Thank you.